Hi viewers, if you don't want to miss any videos uploaded by me, please follow these steps. Open YouTube and type Shekhar Maths in the search box and then click. You will see my photograph in the circle. Touch the subscribe button and also bell icon and select all. Then you will get instant notifications whenever I upload my any video. Welcome to Shekhar Maths. Today we are going to learn 6th class Mathematics Semester 2, 5th chapter Fractions and Decimals, Exercise 5.3 Problems. Exercise 5.3. First problem. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Solution. Before going to do the solution, let us know what is reciprocal. Numbers whose product is 1 are called reciprocals. Example. 2 into 1 by 2. On simplification by 2 to 1 ja, we get 1. That is, reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2 and reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. So, in general, reciprocal of A by B is equal to B by A. Let us use it as a formula. Now, number 1, reciprocal of 5 by 9 is nothing but interchange the numerator and denominator, that is 9 by 5. Reciprocal of 12 by 7 is nothing but 7 by 12. Now, third problem. It is a mixed fraction. Now first convert it into improper fraction. That is 5 2 ja plus 1. 5 2 ja 10 plus 1 is 11 by 5. So reciprocal of 11 by 5 is 5 by 11. Next fourth. Reciprocal of 1 by 8 is interchange the numerator and denominator, that is 8 by 1 which is equal to 8. Number 5. Reciprocal of 13 by 11 is nothing but 11 by 13. Number 6. Reciprocal of 8 by 3 is equal to 3 by 8. Next, number 2, simplify 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Solution. First one can be written as 15 by 1 divided by 3 by 4, that is 15 by 1 into reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. On simplification by 3 we get 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja. That is in the numerator 5 into 4, 20 by denominator 1 into 1, that is 1. 20 by 1 is 20. Number 2, 6 by 1 divided by 1 4 by 7. 6 by 1 divided by 1 4 by 7 converted into improper fraction 7 1 ja plus 4, that is 11 by 7 which is equal to 6 by 1 into reciprocal of 11 by 7 is 7 by 11, that is 6 into 7 is 42 by 1 into 11 is 11, 42 by 11. Number 3, 3 by 1 divided by 2 1 by 3, that is 3 by 1 divided by 2 1 by 3 convert into improper, that is 3 into 2 6 plus 1 7 by 3, that is 3 by 1 into 3 by 7, that is 9 by 7. Next fourth problem. 4 by 9 divided by 15 by 1, that is 4 by 9 into 1 by 15, that is 4 into 1 is 4, 15 9 ja 135, because reciprocal of 15 by 1 is 1 by 15. Next fifth problem. 4 3 by 7 divided by 14 by 1, that is convert into improper fraction 7 4 ja 28 plus 3, 31 by 7 divided by 14 by 1, that is 31 by 7 into 1 by 14. 31 into 1 is 31, 14 7 ja 98, that's all 31 by 98. Now third problem, find 1 2 3 4 solution. First one, 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3, it can be written as 4 by 9 into 3 by 2, because reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. On simplification by 2 2 ja 2 1 ja. On simplification by 3 3 ja 3 1 ja. In the numerator 2 into 1, denominator 3 into 1, that is 2 by 3. Next number 2, 4 by 11 divided by 8 by 11. So it can be written as 4 by 11 into 11 by 8, because reciprocal of 8 by 11 is 11 by 8. On simplification by 4 4 1 ja 4 2 ja. On simplification by 11 11 1 ja 11 1 ja. So in the numerator 1 into 1, in the denominator 1 into 2, that is 1 by 2. Next number 3, 2 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. So first convert it into improper fraction, that is 3 into 2 plus 1, 7 by 3 divided by 3 by 5, that is equal to 7 by 3 into 5 by 3, because reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. So in the numerator 7 into 5 35, in the denominator 3 into 3 9, 35 by 9. Fourth problem, 5 into 5 4 by 7 divided by 1 3 by 10. So convert it into improper fraction 7 5 ja 35 plus 4, 39 by 7 divided by 10 1 ja 10 plus 3, 13 by 10. So 39 by 7 into 13 by 10 convert into reciprocal, that is 10 by 13. On simplification by 13, 13 3 ja 13 1 ja, 3 10 ja 30, 7 1 ja 7, that is 30 by 7. Now fourth problem. The product of two numbers is 25 5 by 6. If one of the number is 6 2 by 3, find the other number. Solution. Let x and y be any two numbers. Now let x is equal to 6 2 by 3. Convert it into improper fraction, that is 3 into 6 plus 2, 18 plus 2, that is 20 by 3. Second number y is question mark. Given that the product xy is 25 5 by 6, convert it into improper fraction, that is 6 into 25 is 150 plus 5 is 155 by 6. Now the other number can be found by dividing the product by the first number, that is 25 5 by 6 divided by 6 2 by 3, that is 155 by 6 divided by 20 by 3, which is equal to 155 by 6 into reciprocal of 20 by 3 is 3 by 20. On simplification by 5, 5 31 ja, 5 4 ja. On simplification by 3, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. In the numerator 31 into 1, in the denominator 2 into 4, that is 31 by 8. By dividing 31 by 8, we get 3 7 by 8 is the other number. Fifth problem. By what number should 9 3 by 4 be multiplied to get 5 2 by 3? Solution. Let number to be multiplied is x. Say, according to the problem, 9 3 by 4 into x is equal to 5 2 by 3. Now convert it into improper fraction. 4 9 ja 36 plus 3, 39 by 4 into x is equal to 3 5 ja 15 plus 2, 17 by 3. So required number x is equal to 17 by 3 divided by 39 by 4, that is 17 by 3 into reciprocal of 39 by 4 is 4 by 39. So in the numerator 17 into 4 68, in the denominator 39 into 3, that is 117. Problem. A bucket contains 34 1 by 2 times of water. How many times do you get 1.5 liters of water? Before going to the solution, let us observe the word times. It indicates that we have to do the operation is multiplication. Let the number of times we get the water be x. Say, according to the problem, 1.5 into x is equal to 34 1 by 2. Let us convert it into improper fraction, that is 2 into 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 into x is equal to 2 into 34 is 68 plus 1, 69 by 2. So required number x is found by dividing 69 by 2 by 3 by 2, that is 69 by 2 into reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. On simplification by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja. On simplification by 3, 3 23 ja, 3 1 ja, that is 23 into 1 by 1 into 1, that is 23. Now seventh problem. The cost of 3 by 4 kilograms of sugar is 121 rupees and half. Find its cost per kilogram. Before going to do the solution, observe the word per. It indicates that we have to do the operation is division. The cost of 3 by 4 kilograms of sugar is 121 and half rupees. So convert it into improper fraction. 4 3 ja 12 plus 3 is 15 by 4 kilograms of sugar is 121 into 2 is 242 plus 1 243 by 2. Cost per kilogram is 243 by 2 divided by 15 by 4. That is 243 by 2 into reciprocal of 15 by 4 is 4 by 15. On simplification by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. On simplification by 3, 3 81 ja, 3 5 ja. In the numerator 81 into 2, in the denominator 1 into 5, that is 162 by 5. On dividing 162 by 5, we get 32 rupees 2 by 5. Now last 8th problem. The length of a rectangular field is 12 1 by 4 meter and its area is 65 1 by 3 meter square. Find its breadth. Solution. Draw a rectangular field of ABCD and its length are ABCD and breadth are BCAD and its area is covered by the green color. Now length L is 12 1 by 4. Converting into improper fraction, 12 4 ja 48 plus 1 49 by 4. Breadth B is question mark. Area A is 65 1 by 3. By converting into improper fraction, 65 into 3 is 195 plus 1 196 by 3 meter square. Now length into breadth is area, that is L into B is equal to A. That is 49 by 4 into B is equal to 196 by 3. So breadth B is equal to 196 by 3 divided by 49 by 4. That is 196 by 3 into reciprocal of 49 by 4 is 4 by 49. On simplification by 49, 49 1 ja, 49 4 ja. In the numerator 4 into 4 by 3 into 1 in the denominator, that is 16 by 3. On dividing 16 by 3, we get 5 1 by 3 meters. This is the breadth.
Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe. Shekhar Maths.